Okay, good day everyone. Our topic for today is about inequality. So, let us have this one. Uh, we have here 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 is greater than 0. So, as you can see, this is in the form of a quadratic equation or quadratic inequality. So, much better to use the quadratic formula. So, our general quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than 0 based on this given equation. So, our quadratic formula will be x is greater than negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, just substitute all the given values of a, b, and c. So, x is greater than negative 2 for the value of b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, simplify x is greater than negative 2 plus or minus. So, the whole of this is equal to 10 all over 6. So, the first value is negative 2 plus 10 over 6, or negative 2 plus 10 is equal to 8. 8 over 6 is 4/3. So, is it x greater than 4/3? And the other value is negative 2 minus 10 over 6, or negative 2 minus 10 is negative 12 over 6 is negative 2 minus 10 is negative 12 over 6 is negative 2. So, is it x greater than negative 2? So, we have here the factors to be x plus 2 greater than 0, and this one, x is greater than 4/3. So, here, cross multiplication, 3x greater than 4, and then 3x minus 4 greater than 0. So, the two factors now will be x plus 2 multiplied by quantity 3x minus 4 greater than 0. But first, we have to analyze if which of these two values, x greater than negative 2 or x less than negative 2, will satisfy the original equation. So, uh, if we will look at our tabulated table of values here, so this is we are give we put the, or we write the, okay, we write the boundary values for x. So, the boundary values for negative 2 is negative 2.1 and negative 1.9. And then, later, for the boundary values of 4/3. So, let us first analyze, is it x greater than negative 2 or x should be less than negative 2. So, we have here the boundary values of negative 2, negative 2.1, and negative 1.9. If we are going to substitute the value of negative 2.1 to the original equation here, we will get, on the right side here, on the original equation, we will get 1.03. And then, so the left side is, of course, equal to, is 0. So, negative 2.1 for the value of x will satisfy the given equation. So, this is true. But, if we will substitute the value to be negative 1.9, we will get, for the value of the right side, or here, the value of the right side to be negative 0.97, and then the left side is 0. So this is not true, because negative 0.97 is not greater than 0. So the same with this, so therefore we will choose this one. X should be less than negative 2, or all values less than negative 2 will satisfy this equation. Okay. Well, for this one, 3x is greater than 4/3. So, let us substitute the values or the boundary values for 4/3. So, let us try 3 over 3. So, from 4 over 3, let us try 3 over 3 or 1. So, if we are going to substitute 1 in this original equation or in the right side, we will get a value to be negative 3. And then, of course, the left side is 0. So then, this is not true. Negative 3 is not greater than 0. But, if we will substitute the values to be greater than 4/3 or let us try 6/3 or 2, we will get, and then substitute these to the given equation, we will get the values to be 8. So 8 is greater than 0 is true. So therefore, all values greater than 4/3 will satisfy this equation. So therefore, in our number line, so we have here in the number line we represent uh, the answer. So all the values less than negative 2 will satisfy the given equation here. So this is correct. And then all values greater than 4/3 will satisfy also this given equation. So therefore, our final answer is negative 2, x should be less than negative 2 but greater than 4/3. So that's all for today, and I hope that you learned something in our lesson. This is Engineer Armando Omanito. Until next time, and may God bless us all.